see the seed. The flower has now produced the seed. As you can see, these are the seed. So you get the one with the seed. Yes. So the seed is it represents unlimited favor because the seeds are uncountable. You can't count the seed. When you pick one seed, even when you pick this one, how can we count this? So when you pick a lot. Welcome back to my channel once again. This Plant Lifestyles. Please subscribe to the channel. Today I have a new leaf. It's not new on the channel, but a new video about this plant. That is the African basil. I've been doing video about it. Today I'm going to talk a new dimension about this plant. I have it in my garden. I have plenty here in my garden. And then the castor plants. Yes, plants are my friends, so they are all over that is my garden. I have plants here because they are cool to be in between them. When we are in them, they are very cool. So today I'm going to speak about this basil again. 8 other benefits that I've not talked about. This plant is very powerful plant, spiritual. Today I'm going to talk about the spiritual part of this plant. This plant is a very powerful plant. That again, it helps you to attract love. So I'm going to show you how to use this plant to attract love. That is not love, like I'm not talking about relationship, but I'm talking about the universal love. Like some people, when they go closer to the others, they are not giving chance. They are not giving attention. They don't have favor. They don't have any kind of love with people. When they go closer to people, they will be sucking them. They don't want to come closer to them. So this is a leaf you are going to use to attract favor, love, and peace in your life. How are you going to do this? You get the new leaf, that is the fresh leaf like this. The one which has newly popped up the fresh leaves. Yes. And you pick it with the one with the seed. You see the seed, the flower has now produced the seed. As you can see, these are the seed. So you get the one with the seed. Yes. So the seed is it represents unlimited favor because the seeds are uncountable. You can't count the seed. When you pick one seed, even when you pick this one, how can we count this? So when you pick a lot of leaves, you will not be able to count. So that is why they are unlimited favor. So we are going to use this to get unlimited favor. You are using the leaves, in fact, with the seeds. So this is how you are going to do. The way forward is get enough leaves. I have enough leaves here, so I'm using this as a demonstration. Get enough leaves. Once you get enough leaves, get a pestle and a mortar. Pestle and mortar. That is pounding. We are going to pound this with the leaves and then seed inclusive. So we are going to combine the two, and then we are going to buy a camphor. That is naphthalene ball. A camphor. That is naphthalene ball. The camphor signifies flavor, a good flavor. And then that flavor is being attracted to people. And then seed signifies unlimited. So we are going to get unlimited flavor. So if your favor is being limited, if your love is being limited, if your favor, your grace, how people like you is limited, we are going to expand it to an unlimited favor. Yes. So you are in a community, no one wants to see your face. When you talk, people don't want to listen. Yes. So once you get this leaf, you are going to get unlimited favor. Yes. So the unlimited favor is I quite remember about 2-3 years ago, I was called for like interview for a position, and those when they go, the question they ask, they used to ask plenty questions, but when I went, I was asked only two questions: my name and what if I get that position, I'll do. That is all. And then I got that position, and as at now, I have it. People were asked a lot of questions, plenty questions. They can be there for about 30 minutes. I went and I spent only just 1 minute, just 1 minute. When the persons or the individuals that were interviewing me saw me, they told me to sit down. They asked my name. I should tell them if I get the position, what will I do? That is all. They didn't ask any other question, and when the results came, I had it. So when you want to get unlimited favor, you want to get unlimited love, unlimited power, unlimited grace, that is what you are going to do. So you get a mortar and pestle, and they'll get a camphor. I'm explaining the ingredients and their function. The reason why you are going to mash, or you are going to get the mortar and pestle, is you are going to mash, or you are going to pound this one and add one camphor. The camphor signifies attraction, a good flavor, a good anything that is good, sounds good, smells good. Yes, but when something smells bad, it is being rejected. Example: when you are in a room and you find a rotten rat, you reject it. But when you find a soup with rats, yes, with rats or grass cutter, you are going to enjoy, you are going to be attracted to. So that camphor signifies for attraction. So the basil has a certain kind of scent that is very flavorful. It's very flavorful. So you are going to add the camphor to increase or to boost its flavor, to understand. So once we finish pounding it, we are going to use the raw material after pounding. How it looks like, you are going to pick it, and then you are going to add small water, about half a cup to it, and then squeeze the water. Once you squeeze the water out on this one, you dip your hand inside the that is the mixture you've gotten. You dip your hands inside, you rub it all over your head and your face, by proclaiming that you open anything that has covered your favor, that has covered your love and all things. You rub it over your face, and then you rub it all over your body. Once you finish, you rub it all over your body. Once you finish, this plant is not passed, but I want to increase your this thing, that is your rate of making the thing faster and easier. So you can go, after you rub it all over your body, you can go and take your bath. When you are bathing, you bath any disgrace out, anything that is repellent in your life, you bath them down, and then you call new favor, you call new grace, you call new power. But you can bath like that. Without this, you can do it and it will work. But you can also add this one. You can add one leaf of this, and then you stand on it. When you are bathing, you stand on it and bath on it. After that, you gather it and put it in a black polythene bag, dig in the ground and bury it. It signifies that as we are bathing, we are proclaiming that anything that is not favorable, any cover that is covering your grace and your that is anything that attracts you to people, that is covering it, you bath it down. Once you bath it down, this leaf absorb it, and then you bury it. Yes, you can repeat this for 3 days or 1 week. You can repeat it for 3 days or 1 week. But mostly, if yours is very intensive, you can do it for 7 days. But if yours is that is medium or not all that intensive, you can do it for 3 days. And if you are new and you want to boost your though you are not rejected, but you want to boost it, you can just do it for 3 days and then repeat it every month or 3 months, and that will help very much. Yes, so this is the way we are going to use this leaf to boost your attraction to people, being welcomed, like you'll be loved when you go closer to people. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Once again, you want to promote this channel to a certain level, before you dive into the forest to bring a lot of leaves and plants back and herbs. But now we are in the garden just teaching around things in the garden. So subscribe so that the videos coming once we are building the channel, any video we upload, you will get like a notification and then watch the video to obtain its benefit. Yes, obtain its benefit. So thank you for watching. Please like the video. So what I taught you, don't you like it? Like the video. Once you like the video, any video I upload and the likes is moving on, I continue on that specific video. I make extra expansion of that video or part 2 of that video, because this leaf has some extension of benefits, yes, of even using it to attract future husband and future wife. But that is not the topic today. But if I see a lot of like on this specific video, I see that people like such video. The video, I see a lot of likes. I see that people like that kind of topic, so I just extend it to part 1, 2, and even up to about part 5 by exploring its benefit, deep benefit of that kind of plant I'm teaching. So thank you for watching, thank you for liking, and thank you for your comments. See you in the next video.